What's up, guys? It's Caleb from Element Case. Today we'll be unboxing and installing the Illusion. The Illusion is one of our more sleek but still impressively strong cases. So first thing you're going to want to do before you put your phone in is remove this clear plastic liner from the inside of the case. Your device should just snap in and you're good to go. The tinted polycarbonate enables the style and beauty of your phone to shine through the case. The Illusion also features our tabletop protection front and back bezels. The perimeter is raised above the front to keep the phone screen from coming in direct contact with surfaces. And the raised back bezel helps keep the case scratch-free. It features a rugged, feather-light chassis and a structural frame that is engineered to be exceptionally lightweight. That's the Illusion. Thanks for watching. For more information, go to elementcase.com.